Now the good news is, as God begins to promote and lift his people, the anger of the wicked will keep rising. As we saw there in Psalm 112, it said, the wicked shall sit and gnash with their teeth and melt away. The desire of the wicked shall perish. How? Luke 21 verse 18. But there shall not an hair of your head perish. The anger of the wicked notwithstanding. For great is he that executes his word. He's the one executing the agenda. It's not our smartness. It's the one executing the agenda. It's not our smartness, our strength, our skill. He said the Lord he will execute his agenda. Chapter 2 of Joel and verse 11. For great is he that executes his word. Balaam said, I've received a commandment to bless, and he has blessed, and I cannot reverse it. Numbers 23 verse 20. I cannot reverse it. When God executes an agenda, it is irreversible. So relax regarding the anger of the wicked. Relax concerning the anger of the wicked. Relax. Not an hair of your head shall perish. That is, I will place a seal of preservation on your life. Isn't that good news? Yes. Isn't that good news? Yes. When people rise in the world, it's always at a risk. The enemy is hanging on. Never, not here. Lie, not here. And then suddenly his brain turns upside down. But not an hair. The desire of the wicked concerning you shall perish. They shall melt away. It is lifting with security. Lifting with what? Lifting with security. Do you think the enemy is happy about the expression of the Church of Christ on earth today? Okay, why was the church the first one to shut down? For God's sake, because of COVID-19. We didn't shut down the market. The most orderly human system on earth, the church. The church was the first one to shut down. That tells you what his agenda was. I saw it. So God stirred me up to stand against them. And the Church of Christ rose. And COVID-19 was messed up. Amen. Messed up. We were among the major players of making it happen. You see, people sit knee to knee, leg to leg, feet to feet in this church. COVID-19 can't come. All the people that came in here for conference and convention, they return back COVID-free. COVID-free. The wicked shall sit and gnash with their teeth. The desire of the wicked shall melt away. What a joy tonight.